Hey there, friends. On this episode of DIYNate, we're going to be trying to tighten a bicycle chain on my kid's beat up old bike. She just learned to bike ride, so we're really excited about that. And you can see right here, the chain has been slipping off. So our problem is the chain is just not tight enough at all. So the understanding I've got is you're going to take a ratchet with a socket that's going to fit onto these the back axle here. You're going to loosen the nuts on the bolts, and you're going to apply pressure back on the back wheel to tighten the whole contraption. You can see both sides have those same kind of bolts and nuts on them, and so we're going to pull that back and put some pressure on it and see how that works for us. So, all right, so don't mind the messy garage in the background. Just propping the camera there, since again I don't have a pair of hands, and maybe I don't really want a pair of hands to help me with this with my children. So you're going to see me, I'm going to loosen it up. Actually, that's tightened. So I got to flip my ratchet the other way. Make sure I set it to the off position here. And we're going to loosen this side a little bit. Okay, got some looseness there. And I'm going to loosen this side. Okay, I saw another YouTube give me this idea. And I appreciate them having the idea on it. You can see now, if I pull hard, I should be able to get that chain pretty tight. From what I understand, you're going to have to tighten each side just a little bit and then continue to apply the pressure. So now I'm going to switch my ratchet back in the other direction and check my chain one more time. Yep, pretty tight. So we're trying to apply that pressure continuously while I'm clanking it down. So I'm making sure I got this side nice and tight. We're going to check our pressure here, see if our chain is much tighter than it was before. I'm going over to the other side. I'm going to try and pull back on it even more this time and give it some additional pressure. Make sure I got that nice on there, because I know my kids are beating these things up, and so if they beat it up, I don't want to have to do this again in a couple weeks. So tighten it on there pretty good. Chain's much tighter. That'll probably get me by. I probably could have made this even tighter than that, but for now, I'm pretty sure my daughter, who just learned to ride a bike, a day after having her bike rolling, she popped the chain on it, and because of that, she wasn't able to continue practicing for a couple days. So important to get this bike back and up and running so she can continue to get better and better at learning to ride a bike. So with that, thank you again for watching DIYNate. Really appreciate all the viewers. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave me a comment if you have interest or you have other learnings that you picked up along the way. Thanks, and have a great day.